Nissan key fobs for Navara, Almera, Micra, Primera, and X-Trail models use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This 3-volt battery powers the remote functions. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the fob case without scratching it. For Micra models, remove the metal keyring clip first. Locate the seam on the fob and gently pry open the case using your tool. Work around all edges carefully to separate the halves. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up to ensure correct polarity. Clean any corrosion on the contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth to ensure good electrical connection. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, ensuring correct polarity. Snap it firmly into place. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure everything works. If the key fob remains unresponsive after battery replacement, first check for debris or damage under the rubber keypad. Next, try reseating the circuit board by carefully removing and reinserting it. For Primera models with LED issues, a faulty capacitor may require professional repair. If buttons are still unresponsive, perform a relearn procedure by cycling the ignition key in the vehicle 3 times. For newer X-Trail models post-2020 with ProPilot systems, relearn via the Nissan Connect app. Always dispose of old batteries properly by recycling them at certified centers. For integrated smart keys, consult a dealership to avoid reprogramming errors.